Have you ever pondered the enigma of the ancient pyramids, standing tall and defiant against the test of time? These monumental structures were first uncovered by explorers who were left awestruck by their grandeur. The Great Pyramid of Giza, the oldest and largest of the three pyramids in the Giza pyramid complex, was discovered in the 4th dynasty by the pharaoh Khufu. The initial awe these pyramids stirred was not confined to Giza, Egypt. Over time, we've unearthed pyramids in various other nations as well: Sudan, Mexico, Peru, Indonesia, to name a few. Each discovery a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of the ancient civilizations that constructed them. These colossal structures, silent witnesses to the passage of millennia, have long fascinated us. The pyramids, once discovered, opened a new chapter in our understanding of ancient civilizations. Their mystery continues to captivate us, sparking endless curiosity about the people who built them and the world they lived in. But how were these colossal structures built, you may ask? Well, the construction of the pyramids is a testament to the remarkable capabilities of the ancient Egyptians. These architectural feats were crafted primarily from limestone and granite, sourced from nearby quarries. Intricate tools made of copper, such as chisels, drills and saws, were used extensively in the building process. The Egyptians had a profound understanding of geometry and mathematics, which they used to design and plan these monumental structures. Now let's talk about the workforce. Contrary to popular belief, it wasn't just slaves who toiled in the scorching desert heat. A mix of skilled laborers and conscripted workers labored in tandem, with elephants being used for heavy lifting and transportation of the massive stone blocks. As for the size of these wonders, the Great Pyramid of Giza, the largest of them all, stands as high as a modern 20-story building. That's approximately 481 feet. Its weight is estimated at 6 million tons, equivalent to about 800,000 elephants. The breadth of its base is an impressive 753 feet, roughly comparable to 2 football fields laid end to end. Inside these pyramids, archaeologists have discovered burial chambers, intricate carvings, and a wealth of artifacts that provide valuable insights into the lives of the pharaohs and their subjects. The mammoth task of pyramid construction truly testifies to the ingenuity and determination of our ancestors. Now let's delve deeper into the enigmatic interiors of these architectural marvels. As we venture into the heart of the pyramids, we encounter a world shrouded in mystery and steeped in ancient lore. The inner sanctums of these structures were not merely architectural feats, but also repositories of the pharaoh's earthly possessions and sacred symbols of their divine journey into the afterlife. Inside these limestone giants, archaeologists have discovered elaborate tombs carefully designed to house the mortal remains of the pharaohs. These tombs, adorned with intricate hieroglyphic inscriptions, offer us a glimpse into the spiritual beliefs and rituals of the ancient Egyptians. These inscriptions, often depicting scenes of funerary rites and celestial journeys, were believed to guide the pharaohs in their voyage to the afterlife. In addition to the royal tombs, the pyramids also housed an array of artifacts, from gilded chariots to exquisite jewelry, all meticulously crafted to accompany the pharaohs in their eternal journey. These artifacts, often made from precious metals and gemstones, attest to the extraordinary craftsmanship and wealth of the ancient civilization. The pyramids have also given rise to numerous theories, from extraterrestrial intervention to advanced ancient technologies, each more intriguing than the last. While these theories often spark lively debates, they also underscore the enduring fascination these structures hold for us. The artifacts found within these ancient structures offer fascinating insights into the lives and beliefs of those who built them. So, we've journeyed through the ages, uncovering the secrets of the pyramids. We've marveled at their grandeur, dwarfing even the most impressive modern structures. We've delved into their construction, a testament to the ingenuity and perseverance of ancient civilizations, using rudimentary tools and a labor force that may have included both slaves and elephants. We've explored the mysterious inner sanctums where pharaohs were laid to rest alongside treasures that boggle the modern mind. Yet, despite all that we've learned, the pyramids remain shrouded in mystery. Every stone, every chamber, every hieroglyph holds the potential for new discoveries. Researchers and archaeologists continue to peel back the layers, revealing more about the people who built these monumental structures and the world they inhabited. If you enjoyed this journey through time, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing explorations into history. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring,